Ground sensing coil, vehicle detector, installation instructions.
Step 1. Determine the coil location.
There are two kinds of coil slot cutting method. One is rectangular cut coil slot. The other is 8-shaped cut coil slot. The coil is usually cut into a rectangular groove.
8-shaped cut coil slot.
Step 2. Draw lines.
Step 3. Grooving.
Use a grooving machine to cut a groove in the road surface.
The groove width is generally 4 to 8 mm, and the depth is 30 to 50 mm. Step 4. Insert and lay the cable.
Note: be sure to pull the cable out from the middle so that the cable does not mess.
To ensure the coil is compacted, you can use a cutting disc to assist compaction.
It has a blunt edge that won't hurt the cable.
Note: please first reserve enough length cable head as output lead to connect to the vehicle detector in the cabinet. The length is about the cabinet height.
Please clean and dry the slot before inserting the coil.
Please use the high temperature resistant Teflon cable to lay and wrap it for several turns.
Step 5. Twisted pair.
After winding the coil, the head and tail to wire ends must be tightly twisted into a twisted pair to prevent interference.
Finally, introduce the twisted pair into the cabinet through the cutting slot.
Step 6. Wiring test.
The plug of the vehicle detector installed in the barrier gate cabinet can be unplugged from the base.
And then the relevant wires can be connected to the base.
Single-channel vehicle detector wiring diagram.
Vehicle detector plug-in and unplug method.
After connecting the wires, when inserting the plug into the base, please note that there is a cylinder in the middle of the 11 pins on the plug, and there is a protruding rectangular block on the cylinder, which should be inserted into the corresponding rectangular hole on the base.
Caution: do not insert the wrong, because the 11 pins on the detector are all 220 volt, and if you insert them wrongly, there will be a short circuit or explosion. Please remember, you must pay attention to safety.
Before plugging the plug back in, please adjust the sensitivity button on the vehicle detector plug to the lowest level.
Step 7. Sealing groove.
After the test is normal, the groove can be sealed. After hardening, it can be used normally.